Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can import or transfer your image or photo from your digital camera or from your Android camera to your computer or to your PC. So in order to transfer file from your digital camera, so if you use Windows 10, you can turn your phone or turn your camera and unlock it. Your PC cannot find the device if the device is locked. So on your PC you can select start button, then select photos to open the photos app. So here you can select import, and from a connected device then follow instruction. So you can pick the items you want to import and select where to save them, and allow a few moments to detection and transfer. Make sure you prepare your USB cable that can transfer files, or from a Bluetooth device. Make sure you connect it to your PC. And here I'm using Windows 11. So here, in order to transfer the file, make sure your USB cable connected, your camera connected. And for example, I'm using my device and my Android device. So make sure your Android device also connected with the USB cable to your PC, to your computer. And now you can open Photos app. Here you can just click import, and here we go. This is the connected device. So you can click your digital camera that listed here in order to transfer file. And here we go. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.